What is your Instagram name and where do you come from?
My name is Paint by Ron, I'm from the Netherlands.
How long have you been in the business?
How long have I been in the business? I think for 21 years now.
What are your two favourite things about the job?
What are my two favorite things about the job? Just not a single day is the same. Yeah, I like to make shit shiny again.
Is there another repairer, apart from me obviously, who you think we should check out and follow?
Another repairer apart from you we should be following. I like to follow Triggerman PPG. He performed excellent work. You should follow him.
Which is your favourite tool and gun?
Which is my favorite tool? I would say this Wacom blower. It dries your base coat really quick. I carry it always in my back pocket. Yeah. My favorite guns, I have them here. This Wacom, it's a HTE 1.2, and my SATA 3000 RP, it's a 1.3. Great guns.
Do you have one tip you can share with us?
One tip I can share with you guys is be your own worst critic. Don't give 90 but give 100% and your jobs will show. Thank you. See ya.
Thank you for taking part.